Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This Samsung washing machine, customer has called me they cannot use it. So let's see what is the problem. I have turned it on and press the power button. Okay, this is the problem. AE6. This error code is AE6. If this error code, so you cannot use it at all. See, all of other button also cannot use because of error code AE6. If this problem is the PCB board problem, there are two screws need to remove. I bought new PCB board from Samsung service center. This PCB board need to change, so I'll remove the screws, then video will be back. So reverse, I've removed the screws. See, it's very easy. We have to remove this all connector. This is the new PCB. And this is the new PCB board. So I'll remove the connector, then video will be back. So dear viewers, I've removed all the connector. There are also 6 screws. I have to remove that also. I've removed already. So this is the sensor also need to remove. Yeah, finally I have removed it. This is the problem. See, it has burned. One of the transistor has burned, and see, and power section also has burned. So all the best is change new, if possible change new PCB board, so it will work as new. So dears, I'll connect all the connector and then we will be back. So it's very easy to remove and connect it back, all the connectors easy. So dear viewers, I have connected, then let's see how is it. Inshallah will be okay. Turn it on, then start. The error code for door, need to close it. So alhamdulillah dear viewers, no more error code. Yeah, alhamdulillah, it is so working fine. So I'll connect it, install it properly, then video will be back. So dear viewers, I will install all the screws also, and customer, she is finally checking. So alhamdulillah, it has been okay. Alhamdulillah, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.